Turn off the water supply before replacing a toilet handle to prevent accidental flushing and minimize the risk of water spills while you work. Replacing a toilet handle is a simple mechanical job, but doing it cleanly and efficiently requires a few precise steps. First, locate the shut-off valve on the wall behind or beside the toilet and turn it clockwise until it stops to cut water to the tank. Flush the toilet to drain most of the water from the tank, and then use a sponge or towel to remove any remaining water from the bottom so you can access the handle linkage without getting soaked. Inspect the handle assembly inside the tank to identify whether the handle is secured with a nut on the inside or clipped into place. Many older handles use a metal nut with reverse threading, so turn it the opposite way you expect. If the nut is corroded, hold the exterior handle while loosening the nut gently with pliers to avoid twisting the porcelain lever. Protect the handle with a rag to prevent marring. When installing the new handle, align the lever and the chain or rod so the lift on the flapper is about 1 inch at rest to ensure a full flush without constant running. Adjust chain length by small increments and test by turning the valve back on briefly and doing a trial flush. Common mistakes include forcing a seized nut and cracking the tank. If the nut will not budge, apply penetrating oil, wait 10 to 30 minutes, and use steady, controlled pressure rather than sudden force. Another issue is incorrect chain length causing the flapper to stay open or not lift enough. Fix this by shortening or lengthening the chain so there is a slight slack at rest, but no loop that can get caught. A final concern is forgetting to drain the tank, which leads to wet hands and parts inside the tank. Prevent that by flushing and dabbing the remaining water dry with a sponge before working. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and gives contractors a place to find work and grow their business. We also host an active discussion community where we share tips, ask questions, and learn from real project experiences together.